Hey guys, welcome back to Bimmer PhD. I'm your host Tim, and today I want to talk to you about why our clients trust us. It is because of our mission statement. See, our mission statement is quality without compromise. And today, I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Behind me right here, we have a 2017 BMW X5 3.5 diesel. It has a 6-cylinder diesel motor in it, and the customer brought the car in because they had a coolant leak. The low coolant light came on, we pressure tested the cooling system, and we found this plastic connector underneath the intake manifold was cracked and leaking. So today I'm going to show you how we save the customer money, not just by fixing what they came in for and replacing the failed part, but how we go the extra mile protecting the customer from future problems and potential dangers that may be coming up. You see, this car has about 101,000 miles, and that plastic piece has made it 100,000 miles, but is connected to the upper radiator hose. We're going to be replacing it with an aluminum piece. That way it lasts a lot longer. Why didn't BMW think of this to begin with? They have to follow their standards for CAFE and emissions so that they put the parts on that they feel are the most cost economical for them, not you. So we go the extra mile and we make sure that if it's a part we're taking off and there's an aftermarket upgrade, that's what we want to hook you up with. But right now, I want to tell you about what we found when we removed this intake manifold. Actually, let me show you. So if you look right here, this is the part going over to the EGR. The EGR is the exhaust gas recirculation. Let me show you what the intake manifold ports look like. The exhaust gas recirculation on a diesel allows it to breathe, well, it's exhaust gas, right? It's like putting a hose from your pants to a breather on your mouth. It's actually sucking in exhaust gases, recirculating them back into the intake system, and along the way, as oil mixes and contaminates with those, we get what we call carbon buildup. So, let me see if I can show you here what we found when we removed this intake manifold. There it is. Look at all this buildup on that intake valve. And another one right here. So, to remove the carbon buildup, we use a pressurized tank and walnut shells and a vacuum. And what we'll do is we'll connect up this tool into the BMW port. And this port is specially designed to fit into your intake runners. And then we'll go ahead and blast out all of this carbon buildup in each one of the cylinders. Now, this isn't like an oil change. This is a tedious task. And when we're done, what we're looking for is a nice clean outcome just like this. Look at that. Look how clean that valve is. That will increase airflow, that will increase fuel efficiency, and that will help the customer save thousands of dollars from having to come back and do this job again. Now, one of the things that we like to do is to make sure that the customers know exactly what they're getting and what they're paying for. So we could, like other shops, just go ahead and put this tube and the hose back in and put it back together and not look at other things. But does that do you, the client, justice? I don't think so. As specialists, we look to see how we can save you money in the long run. So the intake manifold is off the car. We give you the option. After all, it's your car, your money, and your decision. We just help you get to the best possible solution so that not only is your car running right, but also you're saving money along the way by doing two jobs together. Not discounting it, not doing second-rate work, but actually using the processes that we have been trained by BMW in order to save you money. So, think of this as a deep clean for your engine. This should be done roughly at about between 60 and 100,000 miles, or you can wait till you have a check engine light and an EGR code. But either way, I would say this is important to get done on all diesels so that your car lasts the 200, 300,000 miles that you're expecting. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next one.